Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to humanize your ChatGPT text and make it sound more natural. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the ChatGPT website. Start with a basic prompt. For example, you could type, "Create me a 500-word email advertising my SEO services." Then press enter. Now, your draft will probably sound a little robotic or overly formal. But there are a few simple prompts we can use to improve it. Type this prompt, keep the sentences under 15 words in length and try to include up to 3 sentences per paragraph. Press enter. You'll already notice the content sounds more natural and easier to read. Next, type, "Don't use extremely niche vocabulary words. Avoid C2 Cambridge English vocabulary level verbs, nouns, and adjectives." Press enter again. This reduces overly complex language and makes the content feel more conversational. Now type "Ensure the content is easy to read, aiming for an 8th grade reading level, approximately a flesh reading score of 70. Press enter. At this point, the content should feel much more human written. If you want to take it one step further, you can copy your text. Then open a web browser and search for AI Humanizer. There are several free tools available online. Paste your text into one of these tools and click the Humanize button. These tools automatically adjust phrasing and replace certain words to make the content sound even more natural. Some tools even highlight the words that were changed so you can see the improvements. And that's it. That's how you humanize ChatGPT text and make it sound more like it was written by a real person. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.